feel that the best endorsers that can relate to the audience is James and Nagin.
Feel the rush, feel the thrill, and get ready as I perform with G-Force here at Shangri-La Grand Atrium for Manulife Move. Move, move, move. Yeah, yeah. Feel the rush, feel the thrill. Kaya si James na sumayaw ngayon here sa Manulife Move event. And natapos lang ng concert nila pero siyempre consistent dapat yung energy.
Ayun, kakatapos na mag-rehearse with James. Abangan niyo siya mamaya. Gagalingan niya.
This is our first time to dance this live, yung Move Anthem na ginawa ni James. So, abangan niyo siya. Boom!
So today, we had several activities as part of the mall show. We started with James performing the Manulife Move dance with the G-Force. And we also we awarded some winners of an online dance program contest, people dancing to the Manulife Move anthem, and there was actually a live on the spot dance competition which James judged.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, to give us a song number, please welcome James Reid.
The song is hosted by James Reid, Manulife Move. Here we go. Handa ka na ba maging aking sinisita? Pasensya ka na, parating ko ngayon ibigin ka. Pagkuha ka na lang, walang ay nanintado, para wala na mapagpapapon sa'yo. Mamimili ka na lang sa tatawa, habayaan mo ako. Hindi ka pa ba nakakahalata sa aking wala kang kawalan? Kaya nang umirit. No, no, gusto mo na ngayon ay tayo na. Huwag na mapumilit. No, no, kapag ka pa ba? Hirap ang patulan mo, di na kapagkawala. Huwag ka nang umilit, huwag ka nang umilit. Mabala ngayon ay ating ka na lang. Oh, yeah.
Today we had a good day. He also has been featured in the Manulife Move music video, as well as the voice behind the Manulife Move anthem, and I'm very happy to have him be part of this campaign. The reception has been very positive and the song's been quite catchy. People are quite happy with the song, so we're happy as well. I think today's event went very well. It was quite successful. We got a good crowd, which we know James will draw, so we're quite happy with the outcome.
Thanks guys for joining me. Hope you guys moved along with me, and I'll catch you guys next time on #JD.
Guys, I'm here at Parallax Studio for the photo shoot of my new endorsement, Flawless to You. Come on, samahan niyo ako.
Kinikilig ako, itong epekto mo. Kulang na lang tumakbo ako sa banyo. Nakakatakot ka, sumusobra ka. Nakatatak sa isip kong hindi sa'yong mukha. Naku, ano ba yan? Puro ganyan na lang. Wala ka nang alam gawin kundi magparamdam. Hindi ko na alam, ano pa dapat ang iisipin ko, o dapat ba na wag na lang. Tuwing gabi ka lang nagte-text, message ko walang effect. Nag-aantay kung ano nang next upang aking utak ay masip. O ano ba nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Pwede ba? Huwag ka nang magrama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Kwento-kwento ka tungkol sa bagay-bagay. Pag-usapan namin natin tayo medyo bagay. Ngunit mabagal ka, di mo maisipin sa bagay. Kunting tiis na lang, malapit na akong magbabay. Ano ka ba naman? Ganyan-ganyan na lang. Wala ka lang alam gawin kundi magparamdam. Hindi ko na alam, ano pa dapat ang iisipin ko, o dapat ba na wag na lang. Tuwing gabi ka lang nagte-text, message ko walang effect. Nag-aantay kung ano nang next upang aking utak ay masip. O ano ba nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Pwede ba? Huwag ka kontsaba na lahat ng kabarkada. Napapansin mo bang dalas makasalubong ka? Kahit na magpigil, ako ay nanggigigil. Ano pa bang magagawa? Ikaw ay feel na feel. O hihikain yata ang tinamaang bata para lang sa sulyap.
Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon dito lang sa #TV. Bye!
Here we go, come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand, close your eyes. With you right here, I'm a rock until let's
Hi guys, we're here at PNP Cubao, Quezon City, shooting our new PNP TV feed.